Do you want to play?
Yes. Yes.
CogniToys and STEMosaur specifically is built to, keep kids excited about STEM and to get them excited about technology, engineering, and coding.
Hi, I'm Daphne and I'm 8 years old.
I love your name.
Kids actually get it in about 10 different pieces and they have to put it together. We feel that really creates ownership of the product and of course gets kids excited about engineering. And then we've introduced a coding panel where kids could actually learn how to code and create their own code on their STEMosaur. We actually joke that the coding panel is so easy to use, adults can use it. We're using artificial intelligence, making it kid-friendly to teach cognitive development skills in kids. Do you want to play a game?
Sure. I'll play a game.
Yeah? Things from math and grammar to spelling, and then at the same time allowing them to have fun too. How far away is the moon?
The moon is really far. Too far to walk.
Throughout our process, we've encrypted the communication both ways, we anonymize data, and we actually work with groups that do product hardening, knowing that kids are using the product, so we have to be extra sensitive to privacy and security. For us, figuring out how to build the product to where all the pieces came together easily enough for a 7-year-old was a challenge. It took a lot of testing. The manufacturing process is difficult. We chose Indiegogo to crowdfund our product because we wanted to create a community of backers, your biggest supporters that would give you feedback on the product and then be able to lean on them for their insight and advice on how to make the product better. As we were planning our Indiegogo campaign, we knew that we wanted to reassure our customers that would be up to the quality that they expected. Going through the Aero certification program and getting our technology Aero certified was one way that right in the beginning we could say, hey, we're a real company, the product is what we're showing it is. Our engineers work closely with our Aero engineering support. They're constantly looking at ways to help optimize our bill of materials, make the product perform better, from looking into rechargeable components to making our speakers and microphones better. Aero has helped us identify those long lead time items and cut down the lead times, and Aero made a personal introduction to our current partners like Analog Devices and TE Connectivity, which has been very helpful for us. We received $125,000 from the Aero certification program. It's going to go back into the product development and help us ideate the product and hopefully allow us to ship better products and more products to our customers. If you're an entrepreneur building hardware devices, I would definitely suggest going through the Aero certification program. Aero has been amazing in not only being responsive, but being creative in how we get things done. I'm a big Aero supporter, and I can't thank them enough.